Sony Xperia Z1 Compact is a smaller device with great specs and the best camera found on Android devices. Along with the bigger Sony Xperia Z1S and Sony Xperia Z1, it has the best camera at 20.7 megapixels and some super software to help you take better shots. Unlike other bigger devices, Sony Xperia Z1 Compact is smaller and can fit on your hands. Sony Xperia Z1 Compact has a 4.3 inch screen with 342 pixels per inch. It's a great screen for that size. Every phone with more than 300 pixels per inch have a good screen, and the more pixels you have, the better it is. Comparing it to other 4.3 inches phones, Sony Xperia Z1 Compact has the best screen. Compared to all Android devices, you can find phones with more pixels, but all of them have bigger screens. There is no other phone with 4.3 inches or less with better quality screen. So if you need a super screen, you need to go to Android devices with 5 inches or more and select one of the 441 ppi screens. The camera is great. Having a 20.7 megapixel camera on your phone is something really cool. The specific Sony camera is the best camera on Android devices. Of course, there is also Nokia 1020 with a 41 megapixel camera, but this is too slow. The quad-core processor of Sony Xperia Z1 Compact, along with the photo software of the device, make this phone the best photo tool of the market. Of course, the same camera can be found on bigger devices like the 5-inch Sony Xperia Z1S and Sony Xperia Z1. These cameras cannot be compared with the 13 megapixel of other Android devices, so if you want the best camera, try one of these phones. Sony Xperia Z1 Compact is a super phone in a compact size. It has a quad-core processor at 2.2 GHz along with 2 GB of RAM. So your phone will be really powerful, and you can see that in everyday tasks and while watching HD videos. There is no other super fast phone on that size, so if you want a really fast phone as Sony Xperia Z1 Compact, you need to select another bigger device. There is a lot of bigger devices with the same fast processor like Google Nexus 5, LG Z Flex or Samsung Galaxy S4, but all of them are bigger in size. The battery size depends on the size of the phone. The bigger the phone is, the more space it has for a bigger battery. Sony Xperia Z1 Compact has a 2030 100 mAh battery and some special Sony software to preserve the battery. Compared to other devices at that size, we can see that there are bigger batteries like the 240 mAh battery of LG L7 II. Except from the LG L7 II and Sony Xperia SP with 2037 mAh battery, there is no other device with bigger battery and smaller body than Sony Xperia Z1 Compact. Sony Xperia Z1 Compact is a brand new phone, but it doesn't have the latest Android version. We would like to see Android 4.4 on that device, but Android 4.3 is good as well. Of course, there are a lot of apps on this phone that will make your life easier. If you want the latest Android version, for now all you can get is Google Nexus 5. I believe Sony will update the Android version on the latest Sony Xperia, but that takes time. If you want a super phone and you don't want to carry all these huge devices, then Sony Xperia Z1 Compact is for you. It has a smaller screen but extremely good specs. It is not the slimmest device, as you can find slimmer devices with even bigger screens like the Sony Xperia Z Ultra, or smaller devices that are really thin like the Huawei Ascend P1. Sony Xperia Z1 Compact is 9.5 mm and 137 grams. It is not light, and this is the main problem. You can find lighter devices with 4.3 inches but not as strong as Sony Xperia Z1 Compact, and definitely not with that huge camera. If you want a really strong device with smaller dimensions, then Sony Xperia Z1 Compact is your device. It has the best Android camera, really strong processor and a great screen, and it can fit on your pocket. It's not the lighter or the slimmest device, but is all you want and even more on a really portable size. I think girls will love it too.